amin na yun. Si ate, shock na shock.
Please!
Shock na shock si
Go!
ate.
Magnet, go!
It is because
I love you.
Hoy, nagbibideo ako. Huwag kayong maingay.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Nahiya siya, be. Torpe.
Ang mga butterfly.
it's simply because I like the food you
Nakapuntan lalaki.
Siyempre napapaisip din siya mamaya
Away from me when you're saying that.
Gagamit ka lang.
Well, I mean,
Mamaya kasi mali yung ginagawa niya. Kaya
so the thing is,
Ay, bading si kuya, bading. Punta, babae pa yung ano eh. Ay, bakla ka, be. Bakla. Sa kanduwan.
Napaganda pa tuloy yung pwesto.
Babae pa yung ere-ere.
yung babae pa yung nasa top.
Babae pa ng rain. Galing naman ang may butterfly, lalagyan pa yung mga petals.
Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda ng CGI siya.
Skip mo na, besh. Skip mo na, kuya.
Chong.
Na
Watching.
yan.
Chong.
Kuya, skip mo na.
Watching your chong. Seryoso.
Last na yun sa season.
Chong.
Season one.
Chong.
Last na yun
Chong,
kasi
ching, chong,
wait
chong.
lang, meron pa yung episode 6. Hanggang 12 yan. Hanggang
Ayun ang pinapakita mo.
Chia cho chua cho chua ching chong chung chang tang tong tung tang ding dan tong tong tang 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 tung tung tang dang chua chua chi ang ang.
Lose this competition. Alright.
they're more than just cooks, it seems. Just one thing, though. Tell them that I also have a chief oil cook.
I'm going to show you blazing hot flavor.
Ah!